The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, originally born in the Cold War era, has defied the passage of time to become one of the most advanced and formidable weapons of modern warfare. Despite its first flight over 30 years ago, recent upgrades have transformed it into an aircraft that feels decades ahead of its time. From its groundbreaking stealth capabilities to its cutting-edge technology, the B-2 Spirit has evolved into a true marvel of military engineering. This video delves into the upgrades and innovations that have kept the B-2 Spirit at the top of the global defense landscape, proving that old designs can still shape the future of aviation. The Spirit's modern renaissance. The B-2 Spirit, once considered a Cold War relic, is now a potent force in the United States' military arsenal thanks to a comprehensive series of upgrades that have brought it into the 21st century. Central to this transformation is the Spirit Realm 1 system, a revolutionary mission framework that allows for easy software updates rather than costly hardware changes. This ability to upgrade the bomber's capabilities without major redesigns ensures the B-2 remains relevant and adaptable to the ever-changing technological and geopolitical landscape. Through SR1, the B-2 can now integrate advanced munitions, such as the powerful GBU-72 bunker buster, and prepare for future hypersonic missile payloads, all without the need for time-consuming or expensive hardware replacements. The flexibility provided by the SR1 system means the B-2's combat capabilities can be upgraded and enhanced with just a software update, a process that drastically reduces costs and improves efficiency in the long run. In addition to the SR1 framework, the B-2's avionics and cockpit have been overhauled, providing pilots with real-time battlefield information and intuitive mission planning tools. With updated displays and modernized communication systems, the B-2's crew can better respond to rapidly changing battlefield conditions, making the aircraft more agile and adaptable during critical operations. Stealth and invisibility, a key advantage. Stealth remains the B-2 Spirit's most defining feature, and the U.S. Air Force continues to enhance this critical aspect. Thanks to a specialized survivability team, the bomber's radar cross-section signature has been further minimized, making it even more difficult to detect by enemy radar. This enhancement allows the B-2 to operate undetected in hostile airspace, making it one of the most effective tools for penetrating enemy defenses. What makes the B-2's stealth capabilities so extraordinary is its unique design. Unlike traditional bombers, which use vertical fins and sharp angles to control flight, the B-2 uses a seamless flying wing configuration. This design forces radar waves to scatter in multiple directions, preventing them from returning to enemy radar stations. Additionally, the B-2 is coated with a radar-absorbing material that converts incoming radar waves into heat, further reducing its visibility on enemy detection systems. Maintaining this invisibility is no small feat. The B-2 must be kept in climate-controlled hangars to preserve its delicate stealth coating. Every 9 years, the aircraft undergoes a comprehensive overhaul to reapply this radar-absorbing material, a process that costs millions of dollars per bomber. Without this coating, the B-2 would lose its most valuable asset, its ability to avoid enemy radar detection. A new era of communication and flexibility. The B-2 Spirit's communication systems have also received significant upgrades, with a major focus on satellite connectivity and beyond line-of-sight capabilities. This modernization enables the bomber to receive real-time mission updates and target information while deep inside enemy airspace, a critical enhancement that ensures the B-2 remains adaptable during unpredictable operations. Additionally, new avionics and cockpit updates allow pilots to monitor the battlefield in real time and plan missions more effectively. The aircraft now supports simultaneous voice and data transmission, a feature that enhances coordination between the bomber's crew and command centers. One of the most critical advancements in this area is the B-2's ability to adjust its mission plans in flight. The updated satellite communication systems allow crews to receive the latest intelligence and quickly respond to changing targets, even when operating in highly contested environments. Keeping up with advanced threats. In a world where adversaries like Russia and China continue to develop advanced radar systems and missile technologies designed to counter stealth aircraft, the B-2 Spirit must stay ahead of these emerging threats. The B-2's defensive systems have been enhanced with next-generation electronic warfare capabilities, which allow the bomber to detect and classify enemy radar systems while maintaining its stealth profile. These improvements are part of the aircraft's broader defensive management system modernization, which was designed to help it counter new and evolving technologies that could otherwise compromise its effectiveness. As America's only long-range penetrating strike bomber, the B-2 plays a vital role in the U.S. Air Force's global reach. With just 19 B-2s remaining in service, each aircraft undergoes a full overhaul every 9 years to extend its life and ensure its operational readiness. This overhaul includes everything from structural maintenance to the reapplication of radar-absorbing coatings, ensuring that each aircraft remains in top condition. The B-2 Spirit, a legacy of precision strikes. The B-2 Spirit made its combat debut in 1999 during the Kosovo conflict, and its performance redefined air warfare. Two bombers flew non-stop missions lasting 31 hours, striking key targets in the Balkans with unprecedented precision. Even though the B-2 made up less than 1% of all combat flights during the operation, it was responsible for nearly a third of all priority targets hit in the first 8 weeks of the conflict. This showcased the bomber's ability to achieve remarkable results with far fewer resources than traditional bombing campaigns. The B-2's incredible range and stealth also proved invaluable during the War on Terror. In 2001, the Spirit of America set the record for the longest combat mission in history, flying 44 hours non-stop from Missouri to Afghanistan and back. This unprecedented mission demonstrated the aircraft's endurance and its ability to operate in contested airspace without refueling bases located near the conflict zone. The B-2's advanced targeting and smart weapons enabled it to strike high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy, all while minimizing civilian casualties and reducing the risk to air crews. Challenges and the future of the B-2 Spirit. Despite its remarkable capabilities, the B-2 Spirit faces a number of challenges. The most pressing concern is the aging fleet and the ongoing maintenance costs required to keep the aircraft operational. The B-2's production line was closed once the final bomber was delivered, making it impossible to build more aircraft using the same techniques and materials. Each of the 21 original B-2s is now a unique custom-built machine, which means that maintaining the fleet is both costly and time-consuming. The loss of even a single B-2 is a major blow to the U.S. Air Force's long-range strike capability. Since entering service, 2 B-2s have been lost in accidents, and the Air Force faces the challenge of keeping the remaining bombers operational. Every 9 years, each B-2 undergoes a deep overhaul that involves stripping and reapplying the radar-absorbing coating, upgrading electronics, and replacing or repairing major systems. This process is expensive, costing hundreds of millions of dollars per aircraft, and it ensures that the fleet can continue to perform its critical mission in the coming decades. Looking ahead, the B-2 Spirit will eventually be replaced by the B-21 Raider, a next-generation bomber designed to incorporate modern materials and updated production techniques. However, the Raider is still in the early stages of deployment, and the B-2 will remain a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's strategic capabilities until the Raider is ready to assume a larger role in the fleet. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible B-2 Spirit and its remarkable upgrades, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks at the world's most advanced military technology. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the B-2 Spirit or any other topics you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.